Hey guys, Jeff Joyner coming to you live from beautiful Southern Idaho. You know, this channel is all about living your life to the fullest. And I don't want this channel to be just videos of me sitting in my house telling you about my epic adventures. I wanted to bring you with me on some of my epic adventures too. And so as you know, I travel all around the country for speaking and training. And last week I've been in northern Indiana, and then Alabama, then Florida. Yesterday I was in Virginia. Tomorrow I'm speaking here in Idaho for all the employees of a school district out here in Gooding, Idaho. But I got a little bit of time in my schedule to explore a little bit. I'm gonna do some jet skiing today, gonna do some hiking, check out some waterfalls. Can't wait to give you a glimpse into kind of how I like to live my life. No matter where I go, try to find something epic to do and to see, hopefully meet some cool people, and show you guys some pretty cool sights. So I'm out here on the Snake River in Idaho, and you know, I've done jet skiing lots of different places, mostly in Michigan, a little bit in Canada, Arizona, North Carolina. This is my first time jet skiing in beautiful Idaho. In the water, got a Sea-Doo Spark, got a bunch of kayakers out today. I am the only jet skier today. Let's see what this thing can do. So Blue Heart Springs, this is it's fed from underground with spring water, so it's a constant 58 degrees in this little cove, and the water is like a really cool color of blue. This is really, really cool. All right, so I'm hanging here with some my new friends from, you guys are all here from Idaho, right? Yeah. This is their home turf. And these guys are telling me you got to jump in the water here.
Yeah. Do it.
Although it's like 56 degrees all year round. You guys have been in? It's shockingly cold.
It's cold.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna regret it if I don't go in.
Hell yeah.
Oh boy. 56 degrees, we're about to find out what that feels like.
You got it, you got it. You did it! Nice.
It's pretty bad.
You want to get your GoPro in the water?
It's clear too.
Clear.
Yeah, I want to come over here.
Maybe come down here and bring it to
I'm shocking the breath out of me.
Yeah, I know. You gotta eat.
Let it handle the flow, you can throw it. Thanks.
There we go.
That was awesome. That was like really, really cold. But I never felt something quite so cold. I got a chance to go in the water. And I'm glad I did that. I almost chickened out on doing that. But because everyone was talking about how cold it was. But it felt awesome. So going to head out, hit the water for a little bit. Got about another half hour on my rental. All right, it's cold in here. Woo. So you reach under here and you pull this out. Let me show you what I'm pulling out of here. That was all caught up in there. Whew. More of that. More of that. Gosh, ton of it. All right. Whew, pretty clean. So now the trick to get back on. It be a little tricky. Back up. That was not. Boy, that takes some coordination. That's never easy. It's been a while since I did that. Through some farmland here, and man, it was a big canyon. Let's check this view out. Oh my gosh. Something motivational in this video? Here's the motivational part. The best views in life rarely are from the scenic overlook or from the public parking lot. Right? The path less taken leads you to some beautiful places, and I'm glad I hiked down here. I really am. It's amazing. So cool. Let me go down here and see what else I can find. I kind of want to go swimming here, but the rocks look pretty slippery. The water looks like it's moving pretty fast. Since I'm here by myself, that might not be the wisest choice. Man, it's just awesome though. Awesome. That was the coolest hike I've ever done. It took me about an hour and a half to get down there and back. Beautiful. I gotta tell you, the views here are crazy. I need to buy a hat because I got a sunburn today. So I came out of this store and here's the view right outside of just little waterfalls everywhere. All right, so I'm here at Shoshone Falls. This time of year they have some of the falls shut off. This is pretty cool. So, when I was a little kid, I used to love Evel Knievel, the stuntman. And he was always jumping over stuff. He jumped over like 50 buses at Kings Island one time. But his last and like greatest stunt was going to be jumping over the Snake River Canyon here in Twin Falls. And he famously did not make it. His parachute opened too early.
You released prematurely. He started to roll and he's coming back.
This is the hill that they built for him to jump off of. And it's still here. So here it is. It's about a 2-mile hike down the canyon rim trail from the falls, where off in the distance there, where I was just at a little bit ago. And you come down here, and this is what Evel Knievel tried to jump over in like a steam-powered rocket ship. It's awesome. This is Pillar Falls. But it's in like a residential area. They don't let you park here. So I had to park way down there and walk all around this neighborhood. Let's check it out. All right, I've heard it's a super steep, like 1 mile out and back trail. But it's like so steep, I'm having to take baby steps so I don't fall. That's where we're going. It's a little hard to depict how steep this is. It's the loose gravel that's worse than the steepness of it. It's cool. It's just got a lot steeper. Whew. All right, I've already fallen once. At this point, I'm continuing out of sheer stubbornness. Whew. All right, the steepest yet. Very loose gravel. Looks like a fire came through here. So all that water was running to from above. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Finally, hear water off in the distance. So those are the pillars. If the water was higher, there'd be water pouring over there. I found a cool, shady spot. Put my feet in the river. Cool off. Some kayakers over there. It's beautiful. I'm not sure that hike was worth the view, but it is nice. I'm tempted to go for a swim here, but I honestly don't think I want wet clothes as I try to climb back up that trail. So that's where I'm going. It's back all the way up there. Half a mile back to my car. That one I probably shouldn't have done. I'm not in good enough shape for it. But it was a good stress test, because if I was going to have a heart attack, that's where I would have had it. Back at the hotel. In the hot tub. To ease these sore muscles. All right, last morning here in Idaho Falls, watching the sunrise over the bridge. Then I'm heading up north about 45 minutes to Gooding, Idaho, to speak for the school district there. Such a cool area. That's going to do it for my short trip to Southern Idaho. Had a great time. Beautiful, beautiful part of the country. Maybe my favorite part of the country. I can't wait to come back, to be honest. If you like these videos, feel free to subscribe to this channel. A lot of my videos are more kind of motivational stories about different adventures I've had and lessons that I've learned as a result. Feel free to check those out. Thanks for watching. And Idaho, thanks for your hospitality.